Hi friend, welcome to Duckiz, where we learn knowledge from quizzes. Today, let's continue with the challenge 26 A to Z general knowledge quizzes. Each answer starts with a different letter of the alphabet, from A to Z. Don't worry if you get stuck. Think of it as a fun way to learn something new. Ready? Let's get started with the addition 17th. What figure is formed by two rays sharing a common endpoint? Angle. Which country does this flag belong to? Brazil. What is used to take photographs? Camera. Which building offers on-campus housing for students? Dormitory. What is this natural phenomenon? Erosion. What term refers to any animal in the cat family? Feline. What's it called when something moves smoothly and effortlessly? Glide. What is the study of blood and blood disorders? Hematology. What common metal is known for its strength and magnetic properties? Iron. What is the SI unit of energy? Joule. J. Guess this instrument. Kalimba. What is the maximum extent or boundary of something? Limit. What place is dug for minerals like coal? Mine. What thin, pointed tool is used for sewing or injections? Needle. What is a very small bone, especially one in the ear? Ossicle. What is a thick piece of material used for cushioning, protection, or writing? Pad. What is a four-legged mythical creature from Chinese folklore? Keelan. What colorful parrot species found in Australia is known for its vibrant plumage? Rainbow lorikeet. What is precipitation consisting of ice pellets, often mixed with rain or snow? Sleet. Guess this logo. TikTok. What city in San Bernardino County, California, is known for its location at the base of the San Gabriel Mountains? Upland. What is another term for a valley, often used poetically? Vale. What part of a candle or lamp draws up fuel to burn? Wick. What Marvel character is a clone of Wolverine, also known as Laura Kinney? X-23. What short, sharp cry might a dog make when hurt or excited? Yelp. What numerical code is used in the United States for postal addressing? Zip code. You have completed the quiz. Comment your score, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for more engaging quizzes.